moving on to our second assignment for microprocessor assembly language programming, which is smart traffic light system, we exchanged with group 3.
For this assembly assignment, the first modification made was in the password. The initial password, which consists only of 4 numbers, was not strong enough, so I changed to 7 characters, which has a mixture of number and alphabets to make the traffic management system slightly stronger. The second modification made is changing the layout of the road. The initial road layout only had road and traffic light, so I added zebra crossing and 4 pedestrian traffic light for all 4 roads to enable pedestrian crossing possible.
Before modifying the code from group 3, I did the flowchart for this assignment to suggest the modifications to be made. We decided to add pedestrian crossing on all 4 sides of the road and the pedestrian traffic lights, namely P1, P2, P3 and P4. So along with the normal traffic light in T1, the code for P1, which is the pedestrian traffic light to cross the road at the bottom, works like when a pedestrian presses the button at the traffic light T1 to cross the road, which is key 4 on the keyboard, P1 turns green to enable the person to cross the road. But at the same time, the traffic light T2 for the road on the right turns green to prevent the drivers at T1 from disobeying the pedestrian crossing.
Hello, my name is DODIBITIUS. In this assignment, my contribution is by adding a digital countdown for the traffic light. The time that I've added is a countdown from 6 seconds and a countdown from 3 seconds for the traffic light. So, to know the priority for the usage of the traffic light, I also coded the P2 traffic light modification so the traffic light changed to its sequences color for the traffic at the road to run smoothly.
Other modification we made is the color changing sequence of the traffic light. Generally, a universal traffic light will turn yellow, red, and then green. Here, we change the sequence to green, yellow, and red, and eventually to green again. Next is the pedestrian crossing that we add. Specifically, I will talk about P3 and P4. If D6 is pressed, P3 will turn green and people at the pedestrian will be able to cross the road at the same time. Only traffic light 4 will turn green, which prevent car from disobeying the pedestrian crossing. Hence, if key 7 is pressed, P4 will turn green and at the same time only traffic light 1 turn green.